Ethan and I are going to play, what's this called?
Connect 4.
Connect 4 outside in the grass. Because Goober just went to bed and we don't want to make too much noise. We lost our dog Sasha. She's a Pyrenees mix. 7 months ago. And someone just found her yesterday. Probably from like fireworks and stuff. And they're only 6 miles from our house. So we're gonna go pick up our Sasha dog. Look at our fluffy Sasha dog.
That's the girl.
That's our girl. Okay, Sasha, it's haircut time. Whoever had her for the 7 months didn't help her shed, so now she's pretty much matted with old winter hair all the way to her skin. Poor Sasha. She's got gross mats all over. She's so matted in here. I can't even get to her skin. There's a little bit there. So I might give her a lion cut this time since her whole mane underneath here needs to be cut. Both sides because it was so tangled. So I guess we'll just let her start over. Okay, now she gets a bath. But we found some ticks on her and some fleas, but more ticks than fleas. And some sore spots. There's a sore on the back of her leg from some of the knots. But she seems happy to be shaved for her first time ever. Almost done. Come on, girls. Come on. Come on. Let's go. This is the rainiest July in Texas I've ever seen. Alright, thunderstorm while milking the cow. Great. My other cow is out there waiting to be milked but isn't happy. Can't wait till our parlor's done. More rain. I think we've got 3 feet of rain this summer. Literally. What do you think of the rain? You like it? It's raining outside. It's raining so hard that water is just streaming past our house, like 2 inches deep. I haven't seen this since 2017. Wow, we have a stream. We are trying to purchase some cows today on cowbuyer.com. It's an auction site. So I just missed one of the cows that we wanted. So now we're gonna, it sold for $50 more than I asked for, unfortunately. So we're gonna try again. We just won one. $1,500, which is pretty good for a nice A2 Guernsey cow. So we did it. That was really fast and tense, but it happened. We got him. We got the coon. Oh my goodness.
His face kind of looks cute.
Yeah, well, that face, that cute face, has killed hundreds and hundreds, maybe more than $1,000 worth of chickens. We got him. Okay, so this is a finished batch of cheese that I'll be taking down and packaging up here shortly. Okay, and then these two bowls are fresh cheeses that I'll be starting today, cheese curds. Here's a finished batch of cheese curds. And just break them up. And they're ready to go and they're super tasty. From here I can flavor them and then vacuum seal them in our compostable vacuum seal bags, which are pretty cool. So here and over there I have the cheese that I'm making right now, and so I put the rennet in it, so that is what makes the curd. So you let it sit for about 45 minutes and until it gets a firm curd and it's just one big piece, and then I'll start cutting it. Alright, so you just cover it and let it sit, and in a few minutes, well, for the video, in a couple minutes, in about 45 minutes, it will be a nice solid curd and you can cut it, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so the curd is ready and we're going to start cutting it. To mow the lawn. Looking good. It's not a little jungle anymore, but now there's more rain on the way, so